Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Infinix phone guys internet problem guys, how can we solve? Friends, you want to solve guys your Infinix phone guys phone internet problem. So how can we solve today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we solve guys Infinix phone guys phone internet problem guys. So guys we will on it. After on phone setting guys, we will click on guys our phone system setting guys. Tap on guys your phone system setting guys. Tap here. First you can see guys your phone reset option guys. Click on guys the reset option and guys click on reset setting. Tap here to solve and once you can see this notification. So once you have guys your lock screen any pattern lock and guys any pin and any password, so you will have to enter it. So I will draw guys my pattern and guys I will tap on the reset option. So once please wait. So friends, after that guys, you can setting has been reset. Then guys, your internet problem has solved. Guys, you can use guys your phone, mobile, internet setting without any problem. After that guys, you have any problem guys, so guys, don't worry guys. Take a screenshot of your phone model number guys. Send me your comment section. I will check. I will try to help you. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.